In this video of the Facebook ads course, friends, today we're going to learn how we can create an ad account, right? So friends, there is one Facebook business portfolio account which we just taught you how to create in this course, right? So in that you can create multiple ad accounts. This simply means that you can run ads for your different businesses or for different categories as well. So how you'll create an ad account step by step, I'm going to teach you practically. Make sure you learn it well because it's going to be very useful. And in this course, you're going to learn a lot from beginner to advanced level. We'll teach you everything. Just like as in our digital marketing agency, we create ads for clients and deliver performance for them. Those same strategies and all those things we'll teach you when we show how to create a campaign in the agency style, alright? It will be taught with practical exposure. I really hope you're learning the entire course well. So here you can see that I have already created a business portfolio account here by the name of Marketing Fundas business account, and I have already taught you this in the previous video. Now it's time for us to create our ad account. For that you will see an all tools option below. Just click on that, okay? Here also you can see the option of adverts manager, and here also, so you can click anywhere. So we will land in the ad manager. You must have heard the names like ad manager, business manager, etc. So we are in the ad manager. Now inside the ad manager, I will click on my business portfolio that I've created. So I will click on it. And then here means I'll click on go to business settings because I'll create the ad account by going into business settings. So as soon as I clicked on business settings, this option has appeared here. Since no ad account is created here and I'm teaching you to create one for the first time, so I'll click on add here. Now here's the option, create a new ad account. So we'll create it from here. Or there's add an existing ad account or request access to an ad account. Now don't get confused between these two, okay? Add an existing ad account means that ad account belongs to someone else. We will move it completely in our business portfolio. And in the below option, we are just taking the access, alright? Got it? Now let's learn how to create an account. So I am about to create the first ad account in this business portfolio. So I'll name it MF Digital Agency. So let's make it Digital Marketing Agency. So we'll run ads for our digital marketing agency, and I'll use that as an example to teach you how to create every type of campaign properly in this course. Alright? So I've given the name to ad account, and we will keep the time zone of India only, okay? So we have set this to Asia Kolkata. This is our Indian time zone, alright? And if you're in another country, then you can set accordingly. And the currency will keep as INR since we are in India. Whichever country you are in, you can set that. If you are in India, keep Indian rupees. Let's click on next. So our first stage is clear. Now see on the screen, it says who will this ad account be used for? Am I using this ad account for my own business, or I am using this for another business or client? So let's say if you are using it for some another business or client, then use this option. And if you're doing it for yourself, then use first option. So I'm doing it for myself. I'll proceed with this and click next. Now you can see here. Are you sure that you want to continue? Yes, I agree to all the terms and the conditions. Okay. You can see this request for my portfolio account, which is by name of Marketing Fundas business account. And on that I've created an ad account by name of MF Digital Agency. It's showing you complete structure. I'll select terms and conditions and click on create an ad account. So as I click on create an ad account, then further it will take me forward. Ad account created successfully. Now friends, here we have created our account, alright? Now it's saying add payment info. So we'll come to payment settings and billing settings later. We'll teach you that. Alright, for now we've taught you how to create an ad account. We've marked this as done. Now as you can see here, our ad account has been created. And just like that, as you can see, when you create a new account, run ads in it, spend some money and run it for a while, then you'll get multiple options. Later on, you can create even more ad accounts. And with a new account, don't rush into anything, okay? Because I always tell people that sometimes their accounts get banned. What do people do? They quickly create a Facebook page, then create a business portfolio and ad account and start running ads. In this way, no matter how many times you create an account, if they're suspended, they'll keep getting suspended. So there's a proper way of everything. In digital marketing agency, we handle so many clients together from India and outside India. So people face a lot of trouble as they are already working, but their ad account are shutting down. Now they quickly create other accounts so they can start business again. They rush things. And then the accounts they create, they also get banned, so their business gets completely hampered. So for these things too, there are many techniques how to start again and what things to keep in mind. And that comes with experience. So this is how we have learned to create an ad account. I hope you've understood it well. Now you also create one so we can learn properly. Thank you.